Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tweaker. In this video I'll be showing you how to speed up your computer with simple tricks and tweaks. So let's get started. First method. Clearing your temporary files. Press Windows plus R key on your keyboard to open up Run. And then type %temp%. Once the tab opens up, press Ctrl plus A key to select all the files, and press the Delete key on your keyboard to clear those temporarily useless files. These files just catch up space in your computer, making it to slow down. Don't worry, these files are not necessary for your computer. Second method, clearing your prefetch cache files. Open Run window and type in prefetch to open the folder. And now give Continue. And do the same process to delete the files. These files are very similar to the temporary files. They both are just useless. Do this every month to keep your Windows clean. And now, clear your recycle bin to permanently delete those files. Third method, changing your Windows user interface preferences. Right-click this PC icon on your desktop and select Properties. Now click on Advanced System Settings on your left side. Now under Performance select Settings. Now simply toggle Adjust for Best Performance option, or let Windows choose what's best for my computer option. Click Apply and then OK. Fourth method, disabling your startup applications. Click on the search bar and type Task Manager and click on it. Now under the Startup tab, disable all the unnecessary applications except your graphics driver, audio driver and certain essential applications. This will spontaneously increase your computer's speed from the boot. Fifth method, using third-party applications like CCleaner to clear your browser's cookies, history, and many temporarily stored useless files from your computer. In my case, I use CCleaner, and I also recommend you to use it. It's completely free. Open CCleaner. And select Custom Clean from your left side. Now check the boxes you want to clear and click Analyze. After completion, click on Run Cleaner to wipe out those cache files permanently. Use this twice or thrice a month to get the best out of it. That's it for today guys, see you in the next video. Until then stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for future updates.